between Kingsley and Dereham. The next stop would have been East Winch, and then from there it would be Narber and Pentney. So we're here at the first stop, and passenger numbers were low in the early days, picked up towards the 1940s and 50s, and then post-war really declined as people started to get motor cars. So the line was reduced significantly in the amount of services per day. Unfortunately, Middleton Towers since then has been left in a dire state of repair.
How often is the quarry used, and how often do freight trains arrive?
So the quarry is used pretty much every day, I believe, and there's not really a train usually on a weekend. We just happen to see a special order come in, so every day there's at least 2 trains going in the station, in and out. So yeah, so it's very frequent. But when it comes to a Saturday, it's very uncommon. You might have one train have a special order, have one train on a weekend, but I've never seen one come on Sunday. So it's always a Saturday for special orders, usually when summer starts to pick up, springtime where we are now.